Hello, friends. There is a requirement that we need to download images from the link. So I have prepared all the stuff before, for this tutorial. So we have created a table. First of all, what we need is we have some links in our database that we need to store. This is a sample Laravel project that I have created a command to download all the images from the URL. Okay, so what is the requirement? We have these links. Basically, we have these links and we need to download these images, and we have to store into our Laravel project. Okay, what we will do, let me close the others. What we will do, we will I just have to create a command that will called what I have just done. I have created a command that will, if we will make, yes, I have created this command php artisan make command download images from URL. When you will do this, you will created a console command in the Laravel. Basically, I'm using Laravel 10, so you can use that command, and it will be automatically here, and the signature and the default functions will be there. You have to just write the signatures. I just write download from URL, so it is here, and you can write the description also. So I'll write the description here. For example, download the images from the URL or the link. Okay, so this is the requirement. So let me tell you how I have just done this one in a simple way. These are the color array. I already created those these arrays over here. So you see, we have about 24 images here, and then I have created the base path where I have to store the image. So I have write the storage URL public, storage public, and images color. So if we'll go here, if we go storage, I have already created one, but I'll delete it for you guys, and we will check that how it works. Okay, so let me delete all of them. So see, I already have done this, but we will delete this and we will check that how it is exactly working. So let me delete this one. Delete it. Okay, now we only have public, and we don't have any record in our public folder. Okay, so if we will go back to our database here, we can check that I have created a model for color images. So how we will create this model? This one is here. One moment. Yes, make migration color images I have created, and then I have created a model. So if we'll check for this model, we'll go here, model, color images. Okay, here, and I have created name, type, size, path, and base URL. Basically, base URL will be something like https, and then will be something like domain.com. This will be the base URL. Okay, what will be the path? The path will be from storage and slash color images, sorry, storage images, and public, sorry, storage is our default path. Storage public images, color images, and the image dot jpg or png, whatever it is. Okay, this will be like this, and size will be integer. It will be, for example, 196, like this one. And then type will be image jpg, for example. So this will be the meme type. For example, this is a meme type, meme. So the file name will be the original file name of the file. So this is how we are doing this one here. So this is the stuff that I'm writing into the database with that pattern. So it will be easy for us to check that what is the size, what is the type, what is the name of the image. And you have scrap images from somewhere, so you would like to store into your database, so you can do this via this command, via this process that I'm just discussing with you guys. So let me change this one, because this is just for your information. So let me change this, and we have to clean our model, and we have to write in the fills, we have to write in the fill items. So what we will do, we will go color, images, and we will fill name, type, size, path, and base path. This is done. The database path is done, and the other explanation is done. So next part is how we have to write the command into the. There's a already handle function when we create a command using the command line. PHP artisan make colon command, and then we have to write command download image from URL. Okay, so these are the images function. I have take all the images and just split as each individual image, and I put get file content, and then I get base name, file name. So we can get the uh, image URL, sorry, image name from the other stuff file dot name, or there's a default facade inside use file. Sorry, there's not this one file. So we can with this function we can get many things, like we can do file and colon size name, we can get anything that we would like to. Okay, but this is for the object that is coming from the input field. But what if we have the other stuff, we are getting image from, this is a different scenario. So we have used some function that we already have, we get the file name, and then we have to create the full path of the storage. So I already show you that how this function is created. This is just returning public image, color images. Okay, so this will be created over here in this storage app public, and then images, color images will created automatically when we will hit this command. And then I get file path, I use file path and that file size, and then get storage dot mimi type. You can use these functions for the existing image. For example, you are retrieving from images from the storage, and you would like to get the size, mimi type, and stuff like this. So you can use this without any issue. So if I'll print this array, for example, if we will print this data type colors, so if I'll use this for you guys to check, PHP artisan, PHP artisan, what is the function signature for this one? Download from URL. This is the signature. I just write over here, and let's check what it is. See, this is the first file. Okay, and then what is the size of the file, what is the mimi type, what is the path for the image, and what is the base path. When we will combine this base path with the path, and then it will, we can see the image directly. But I'm running it on the local host. Let's just, because it is coming from the storage, so we will skip the public name. But you can get also the full path by via this link, storage this link public, and then images, color, and then file name. So with this you can just get right away that what is the public URL. For example, if you would like to use this URL on your front end, so you can use this line to get the image on your front end. So let me just write here that localhost 8000, I think that is not working, maybe storage, and then slash, and we will check our images here already here. Let me show you. Before that it was not here, public images, and this was the 150 by 150 black. So we can check that here. And what is the size? 198 KB. Okay, and this is the type, and this all the other stuff that is required to check. Okay, what we are going to do, we just need to check that image is accessible or not. So if we will hit this link, oh sorry, PHP artisan serve need to be on, so we can check our image. See, here is our image. So this is the image that I would like to. So let me check in the database. No, it is not stored in the database because I just printed over here. So if we will remove this, and we will check that color images model, and then create, I am pushing the full array into the object, and we can return the IDs, dumping the IDs after inserting into a database. Let's check it out with you. So let me run the command again. So we will execute command, but first we will make sure that our database is empty. So we can check this. Our database is empty now, and let's go ahead. See, it is returning me the IDs 26, 27, 24 up to 50. Okay, so let's check in the database the records are there or not. Wow, all the records are here, memetize, and each file has different size, date and time, base URL, name, IDs, everything is fine. So we can check that in the, make sure that in storage color images we have all the information we need, it is here. Okay, so we can access those via our public URL, and we can download image from any link or any third party URL, or we can scrap, for example, we scrap the links of the images and we can just retrieve those images without any issue in Laravel. Okay, that's all. If you like this video, please share, subscribe. Thank you so much. If you have any question, or if you would like me to create any, uh, video on any topic, please write in the comment. Thank you. Bye.